Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. Just want to do a quick sound check. All right, if you are joining here with me, appreciate if you can type a one for me. All right, to ensure my sound and screen is okay. Then we will start our section this morning. Okay, so again, a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on this discussion in this morning, make sure you have your own trading plan, right? And then if not, get advice from professional. So again, market still remains, I don't think it's good. But again, this morning here, I'm a bit busy. Hello, Wong. Thank you for joining me. I think there's some chat in the group, but I didn't manage to check. A bit busy this morning, okay, doing a little bit of updates. All busy cutting losses. Just few people, okay. Maybe lah. Today, market still not too good, right? Again, I didn't check. I didn't check because morning I was busy. Because I was also preparing for tonight things. So let's see. Okay, my EG still boleh lah, still above support. This one I'm still holding lah. But SKB shut last yesterday. I already covered it. Oh, really? Genetic drop. Yesterday Genetic 16136, but they goes back up, right? This one luckily I covered already lah. Okay, so never mind. Let's see how it goes. SKB shut. Malakoff, I'm still holding. Okay. Wow. Okay. Naranjan also looking into Genetic. Okay, this one I'm still holding half lah. So let's see how it goes. Let's say if the pullback is nice later on, maybe next week, next 2 weeks, I might consider looking for entry opportunity. But definitely not now lah. Now I think anything also tak jalannya lah. Mostly. So Malakoff, EG, Ren Hill. Many penthouse residents now. Oh, is it? Looks very bad. Okay, that's how also lah. Okay, but still above support lah. Let's see how it goes. The other one is MBSB. Okay, again, just go through some of the counters that I'm holding. Like I said, I didn't really check this morning. Okay lah, boleh lagi lah. Okay, the other one is CEB. This one I tangan gatal a bit lah. I go to enter lah. Okay, but let's see. Let's say break 40 cent. I going to exit already. Okay, this morning apa macam? No trading impossible, right? Oh, okay. A bit slow on today data. Okay, maybe later also I cut already. Okay. This one the other day because of this candle over here. So tangan a bit itchy lah. So go and touch it. All right. Okay, now let's see how it goes later on. Actually for me, CEB still okay, but just that maybe because market is weak. Everything also dropped. Okay. Now what we do is that right now we going into the KLSA indices first. Okay, we check the overall setups, then we look into the stocks. Okay, let me know any stock you're looking into. I'll look into Genetic, I'll look into EG, I'll look into MPHB. Okay, EG for me, just I do a quick check, it's still okay. Personally, I'm still holding. All right, a little bit losses. I'm considering whether I want to exit, keep some cash or not. All right, so again, if you're here with me, now appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out so that we can have more viewers, okay, in this section here. Now, let's start with FBM KLCI. Where is FBM KLCI? Okay, so let's say FBM KLCI overall, if let's say they are still holding around 1630, for me still okay, right? 1630 for me still okay. But again, don't forget one thing is that current breakout over here actually is supported by finance services. Okay, so finance sectors. So while the rest of the sector actually is not doing that well. Okay, some of them doing inverse pullback. Okay, so for tonight course, of course, tonight course we talk about shakeout lah. Okay, tonight course for those who joining, I will also share with you about force breakout. Okay, because shakeout and force breakout is the opposite. Like pullback and inverse pullback is the opposite. So I think in this market here, there are a few counters actually doing force breakout, which I'm going to share with you also some example in tonight's section, so that moving forward, something that we might want to avoid. Okay, something that we might avoid. Okay, so technology. This is what we call inverse pullback lah. Okay, today's job. Okay, so luckily all this I didn't enter lah. So let's say anything that below gaps punya, or maybe near gaps one they don't have a very clear sign of follow through, you must be careful and take notes. Okay, you can enter. Of course, some of them say, I enter over here, it goes up. My risk is lower, my risk is high. Yes, correct. But if let's say it feels right, sometimes you have to be careful. You need to decide very, very quickly. Okay, because this is a tricky area, and sometimes it's an area that potentially operator use this opportunity to do more selling. Okay, into the market. Okay, looks like healthcare also. But against now it's 9:30. Okay, let's see how it goes. Hopefully today we have more hammer. If got more hammer, it's good lah. If no hammer, next week also I believe that it will be still remain boring. Okay, like for the past 2 or 3 weeks already. Okay, now consumer sector as well is doing an inverse pullback. Okay, for right now. Okay, gap. Okay, resistance. All right. So again, careful when they break back into this gap area here. Okay, careful when they break back into this gap area over here. So construction, I believe all this is the same. Okay lah, nothing to cerita. Actually, it's the same. Okay, now let's look into some counter you have for me. Okay, do let me know any counters you need to look into. I don't think today I got much thing. Okay, just review some counters, and then that's it. Okay, then we see any counters that is still possible for us to monitor or not. Okay, right now it's good to monitor some counters. Okay, and then put into watches. Okay, now this one, I think no need to review much. Okay, continue showing weaknesses. Now this is the early morning. You can see the volume is damn high already. Okay, unless few things, they close with a green hammer. Okay, unless they close with a green hammer, then yes, maybe there is a chance to do reversal. Maybe there's a chance to do reversal. Okay, if not, I think yeah lah, this one need to avoid first. Okay, normally job like this, even though reversal, it will take time. Like CEB lah, CEB or maybe like Upstar also lah. Upstar actually is still following, just that now it's not a good time. Okay, so sometimes drop, okay, sideways hits, double bottom, then like this. So it's not a good time to look into, if you ask me. Okay, so now again look into the others. EG. Okay, I think EG is still the same. For me, above this line, I hold up. Okay, against now it's not a good market to enter. Okay, for me, setup is good. Okay, because why low volume? Okay, low volume, but anything can happen in this market. Sometimes they will make a deep wash again, pushing it back. Okay, deep wash and pushing it back. Right? So okay, now let's go into FPHB. Okay, FPHB. Yesterday closed with hammer, not bad. But unfortunately, the closing not so nice. They didn't close back to support. Okay, now this one FPHB, right? Back to support only I'm interested, but I think they are doing a shakeout. Okay, but now this is a market to do shakeout actually. Now is a good market to do shakeout. Okay, I think they are doing shakeout just that not a good timing to enter in this kind of market. Okay, so that's why this kind of stocks, okay, what I do is that normally I will still park my alerts 60 cents. Okay, so next time when they cross back, okay, hit 60 cents, then I know already, hey, shakeout completed. Okay, again, you can use the XIFU apps to set the alerts real time. Okay, so whenever it hits, you get an instant notification. Okay, then you know that, okay, yeah, maybe the setup is coming. Okay, then what's the things that you should plan out and do? Okay, so I think FPHB still possible doing a shakeout trades. Okay, but of course, not today. Okay, not today. Hopefully next week, next 2 weeks, we might see that. Okay, in the setups. Okay, now let's go into CMSB. CMSB. Okay, Powerwell. Okay, let me know any counters you look into. This one I think Tapaya just now we just talked about this only. Right? We talked about inverse pullback. This is the inverse pullback. Okay, so like I said, anything that it didn't close gap one, always be extra careful. Okay, because gap down is resistance. Okay, and it's an area for selling area. So that's why if you notice my SKB shot lah, my AG lah, not MYEG, EG industry. I trade above the gaps. Okay, even though yes, SKB shot yesterday it failed to hold, so I exit with the small losses. But this one, when you enter here, sometimes it will retest back here or even worse. drop below. Okay, so sometimes you need to be careful on this kind of gap. But again, if you are looking for entry right now, yeah, I think I have to agree. Lotus CMSB is not really that good chart, correct? Right now, it's not that really a good chart anymore. Okay, I think yesterday also JT Group. Is it JT Group? JT Group also yesterday tried to cross, but in the end, I think they didn't cross, didn't manage to cross. Okay, so today, yeah, today still sideways over here. Okay, so now let's go into Powerball. Okay, let me know any counters you want me to look into. Okay, like I said today, I don't think I got much thing for you all, right? Just want to review some chart, but mostly it's the same things. Okay, you can see also Powerball is forming inverse pullback. Now I actually a bit scared already. I still think that this year going towards the end, I mean end of the year of 2024, we will still see a bullish market, but looks like it's getting weaker. Okay, it's getting weaker. I'm not sure whether we will see a nice rally towards the end of the year. Maybe it make a deep one recovery, okay, but not that bullish anymore. So okay, now here, notice gaps, right? Gaps area they try to cross, but tak jadi, drop. Okay, drop back. So again, careful on here, 40 cents. But if you ask me right now, setups at the moment it's not the best. Okay, setup at the moment is not the best. Okay. Welcome, Lotus. Now let's into Fajar. Same things. Same things. Okay, so here gaps. Here also actually a small gap. See, cannot cross. Cannot cross, a bit tricky. Cannot cross, a bit tricky. Okay, so again, Gary, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Entry wise, I think why not we be more patient first. Okay, it's a good time to keep a big cash out. Okay, so like yesterday I exit my one XKB shot already, I troubled already, keep cash. Okay, today CEB maybe I also exit. Okay, losses, yes, it's a losses, but yeah, sometimes what to do. Okay, have to exit with small one, then we keep big cash, then we look for the next opportunity. My hand gatal lah. What happened, Bong? You enter any trade yesterday? You enter any trade? I thought you were holding CMSB only, right? CMSB, I think it's okay lah. JT Group entry and exit, please. Okay, JT Group. Okay, so like I say, right now, most of the setup, I think is a bit tricky. To be frank, I don't really like that. Okay, because here is the resistance. Okay, here is the resistance. Oh, recently got entered, but okay lah. Semua pun kena lah, semua pun kena lah. Okay, but again, small losses I think fine. Okay, at least we still can recover. Okay, when the next pull run came, but VS also can. Oh, you enter VS. VS I didn't follow already. I follow KGB, but lucky I didn't enter KGB. Actually, today close gap, right? I almost entered KGB already, but after that, I don't know why I follow, but I just okay, tapol. I still feel not that good. Okay, I don't want to and use all my capital. Okay, in this market. So in the end, I didn't go for it. Okay, so I awarded the drop yesterday. I think yesterday or 2 days ago, it made a drop. All right. So okay, now let's go into JT Group first. Okay, again, resistance. Market's no good. Okay, market's no good. Resistance definitely is not the right place. If you really want to. Okay, I know sure this line will hold 50 cents okay, the next one is somewhere around this level I think it's 45 cents area. Okay, but if you ask me, current setup not the ideal. Like I said, I think yesterday also someone asked me cross here only I will consider, because cross here represent there's a shakeout happens, there's a reversal happening. Okay, then maybe they got a chance to retest here and retest here. Okay, right now looks like they are testing support. Okay, so some things that I don't really like it at the moment. Okay, unless you say that, oh, it's like this one for long-term one. Okay, long-term Petrovsky F score is 5 out of 9. Okay, not bad overall. Okay, in this case, you use weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart support this level of 40. Yeah, I think daily chart also the same things. 46 cents area. You can use that. Okay, now let's look for the others. JTiasa. JTiasa, I think also didn't hold support that well, right? Okay, now going back to daily lah. daily chart. Okay, daily chart here. Okay, same things. Okay, now, this one, if not mistaken, someone mentioned in the group. Is it potato farmer? Potato farmer, sorry. Okay, the member with the with long term one. He likes to do long term one. So I remember previously someone asked me, like, if not mistaken, it's him. So I said that this gap over here is a resistance. Actually, it's good, but resistance a bit tricky. Gap. Okay, so here again, same things. Okay, if looking for entry, I think no. Okay, if looking for entry, I think no. Okay, unless they close the gaps again. But close gap must be strong one. Nowadays, some counters, they close gap, right? With average volume, again, they fail. Okay, I think VS is one of them also. Okay, let's do VS. Some counters, I think some property also, they close gap. This one is a good volume, but unfortunately, they don't hold also. Some actually, they close with the average to low volume, so that one you be careful also. Right. Okay, now, any other counters? Okay, keep cash. Market not good today. Wait for closing today. Yes, correct. Hopefully today we see more hammer. Normally for me during this kind of weak market or bear markets, right? You look for hammer. Okay, look for hammer is a good sign to tell us that there might be a potential reversal. Okay, in the market. So as long as no hammer, you don't all in first. Sometimes yes, tangan kata like for me also I enter a bit to you know. Sometimes it's like that. You in the market for some time active already. Sometimes you need to wait for 2-3 weeks. Very boring one. I understand. Okay, so sometimes we play a bit. Okay, but don't all in first. So especially like this kind of market today. Okay, we will for the setups. I think hammer is the best one to see the so-called indication, okay, of potential reversals might happen in the Bursa market. Okay. Now, any questions before we end our section? If not, like I said, I got nothing for you okay now. Let's do into pullback stocks. I'm not sure whether anything or not. Okay, P Energy. Okay, today got few one coming in. Okay. Tropicana. Tropicana make a big wash. Okay, make a big wash. This one is a shakeout. Can monitor. This one is a shakeout, but not today lah. Not today lah. Not today lah. Okay, put your washes first. If let's say all these things after that finish already, right? Okay, then you see sideways building 150 above. Okay, then you can plan out. Maybe property sectors will come back again. All right, who knows, towards the end of the year. SDG. Okay, this one still boleh. Yeah, but this is long-term accumulation boring counters. Okay. Olga Bio, doing shakeout. But no volume. Okay, check this one. No volume one. Nowadays, up with no volume also careful. I don't really want to touch also. So here, shakeout. Okay. Tonight we talk about shakeout. Okay. The other day, Wangtel also failed to do shakeout. All right. Luckily, didn't rush to enter. Okay. So make sure wait for shakeout complete. Tonight we'll talk about more shakeout complete, false breakout. Okay. False breakout is like that. Okay. One is testing the fear area. One is testing the grid area. So we will talk about that in tonight course. Okay. So again, for those that were interested, make sure if you haven't received the email, this is actually for premium user. If you haven't received the email yet, you just let me know, snapshot your profile details for me to ensure you're a premium user. I will send the link to you, okay, through WhatsApp. Okay, I think I got a contact number over there in the text. If not, you can actually subscribe to my XIFU apps. It's only 20 GB per month. All right, then we actually have this course moving forwards every month. Okay, to share with you. Okay, how to actually look into some of the chart setups by looking into the candlestick and volume. Okay, so of course I will plan out with Mr. JK also. Actually, Mr. JK pretty good in other indicators like VBPs. I think Wong know some of the techniques that he's using. Like the other day during the Members Day, I think last month, he do talk about property construction. Need to be careful because it's at the at the last stage already, the distribution phase. Okay, right now, yes, mostly they are now selling already. So some of this market structure, I will ask him to conduct also, hopefully by next month or in the October's month. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me. If you like my section over here, even though today is very short, hit the like buttons for me, help me to share this out. Join my Telegram, okay, for more daily discussion. With this, thank you, and I'll see you next week.